I made a wreath. Hello, my little pumpkins. Welcome back to the merriest place on the internet. I am here to show you how I made this wreath. She's so cute. I'm gonna take you through it and how I did it and how I designed it and how you can totally do this too. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kim and I'm very merry. Feel free to subscribe for Christmas tree designs and Christmas tree tips and tricks, and now apparently holiday wreaths. So here is how I made this super cute fall harvesty Halloweeny wreath. Welcome to my desk. It is messy. Such a professional at this. Kind of the best situation I could come up with for showing you how I'm gonna do this wreath. So, all right, here are the things that we're using, yay. Gonna try real hard to do this without bumping camera things. We're starting with this wreath frame base. This is a 14-inch grapevine. Is that what we're calling it? I mean, that's what it is. I got this from Michael's craft store. I think I mentioned this in my Halloween tree video that they're really killing it this year with the Halloween stuff. I mean, this isn't Halloween specific, but yeah. So not big, but still sizable enough to be called a wreath and not a baby wreathlet, I don't know. And then I have some green sheer ribbon. This is the same ribbon that's on the Halloween tree, so it will have some kind of continuity in design between all of my decor, the green and the tree. This ribbon is from Walmart. It's not available online, so I can't link this one. I can link the wreath though. And then I have this ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree. It's cute pumpkin on a burlap situation. Super cute with pumpkins on it. And I have two picks. These are from Walmart. I also have these picks throughout my Halloween tree, so again, some continuity there. Orange and black, what more could we ask for? And lastly, from Dollar Tree, I have 3 of these floral picks. They got the cute fall berries on them with some fall foliage, leaves, and a little pumpkin and a pine cone. Snip away those little taggy wags. I'm being careful to kind of keep these separate from one another and not stacking them, because the little berries like to get really tangled. We're gonna start with ribbon, just like we would a tree. These I have last year that I put on a small tree. I just saved them. I will not be gluing anything. So in all the wreath making things that you see, they usually use hot glue or some other glue. Glue, stick in, done, glued, yes. But I'm not gonna be doing that because I want to reuse this wreath base frame circle for other holidays, essentially treating it like I do my tree, where I take things off it and put something else on it for a new holiday. So I'm gonna be wiring, and these things hold stuff. Like you can really, I mean, like this is gonna go right in there. Do you know what I mean? So like, I'm not concerned. And then everything will come right out and I can decorate it again. Probably for Christmas. I don't know. All right, so I'm gonna start with some ribbony bits. We're just gonna do a bow. I don't think we're gonna ribbon anymore because other than wrapping it around, you know, like this. Although I don't hate that either. No, I don't want to do that. I want to keep a lot of the brown and basically make like a statement piece for kind of off-centered statement focal point for it. See, and then I'll have the little tails coming out and that'll be really cute, and then we can add all the picks in. It shouldn't take long in theory. I'm gonna wire this and then I'm gonna cut the tails. And the nice thing about wiring these is you can unwire them if you don't like where you put it. Oh, we're gonna need pliers though, because these wires are short. Clearly I am someone who uses wire and pliers all the time. Okay, and then we'll end up floofing and we'll have these tails kind of hanging out. We're off to a great start. Poke myself a little bit. There we go. Okay. You're gonna stay, you're gonna stay. So there. See, we're getting there, right? All right, this is super wide. We're gonna just do 2 loops. So I'm gonna leave room for a tail. Okay, yeah, that's the size I want, yeah. And twist, bring up a second loop, add it to my pinch. Grab a little wire and secure that. What's funny is, just like a tree, the ribbon is taking the longest, and then once the ribbon's on, everything else goes pretty quickly. I did not acknowledge how wide this was, so we might have to put this on first and add the green in later, which is super fun for me. We're wired and on this thing, so can we just, we're gonna slide these babies out of the way, and we're gonna add this right here, up here. See if we can organize those others back, but without having to take them off because your girl's lazy. Okay, see, and then we can arrange everybody to be cute. And we'll probably put in one or two more loops of that. Oh, see, and then we didn't have to take the green off. So we're looking all right. We're looking all right. We are on our way. Every like wreath professional and professional decorator is screaming at me right now. I don't care though, this is gonna be really cute. And yeah, it's gonna be a struggle, but like, aren't all things in life that are worth it kind of a struggle? If we just put a third loop right here, I think that's gonna give me the exact look I had in my head. So we're just gonna cheat. One more not super big loop. And we're gonna ribbon that. Nope, we're gonna wire that. We've already ribboned that, being as it's ribbon. That used up that whole thing. This is why it's from Dollar Tree. There's not very much on here. Seriously, that was 6 feet of ribbon. Shocking. So we're gonna wire that right in there. I'm gonna slide everybody out the way a little bit. Now we're gonna do some floofing and tail cutting, and we will be done with the ribbon-ending. This part right here is driving me crazy. Section right here. Everybody to kind of twist and turn this way. That's better. Next time I'll probably make a bow and put it on, then do individual loopy things. Hold out. There we go. Ribbon tails, ribbon tails. Nope, that's dragon tails. Different thing. All right, make sure everybody's living its best life. The floofing. What do we think? Okay, so these picks are a little bigger, so I'm gonna go in with them first. And I might have to cut these. I'm gonna try really hard not to, because I'm gonna wanna use these in my tree next year. So if I cannot cut them shorter, that would be better. And before we go sticking things in, we can't always pull them out, but kind of want to decide where we want these to be in general. And I may not even use these now that I think about it. They may be too much. These could kind of stick up out the back. You know what? I think these are going to be too long. So let's put the smaller ones in first, and we'll go from there, because I feel like these are gonna just be a little too much. I want one in here. That's cute, but this is driving me crazy. I need it shoved in just a little bit more. Yeah. Okay, we got that one in right there. I'm just kind of weaving them through. You see that? Like that. I know we want something like this. Okay, so on each side. Do we want like a this kind of situation? Maybe you're up more to the middle. I think I want them all on the outside, and I think we're just gonna go 1, 2, 3 and call it a day. So see how these are yellow, and this is a orangier. Can you tell with my lighting? I'm not sure you can tell. And this one is also closer to this one. So we want to make sure that this one is in between them. The one that's slightly different, so it's not two the same and one different on the end. So the different one is different on purpose, if that makes sense. We're gonna stick it in right up at the top and do something different. If I want to do something different. Jabbing this in here and kind of seeing where I can put it so that the stick doesn't end up showing. There. So far so cute, right? This is to the side a little more than I want it, so we're gonna redo that one. It wasn't in the middle enough. I like that a little better, with it being a little more off the center of our focal point. Last one, and then it may be done, it may not be done. We don't know, it's too soon to tell. We want this one right about there. right? That's right about where I want that one, right in there. No sticks are showing, right? Is that what we want? Look, I think we got it. We should go hang it up and see, huh? We're gonna just flew through one last time. We're gonna call it good on this simple but not at all simple wreath. Let's get a better angle so you can see it properly. Here we are. Look how cute we look. I'm gonna hang it on my door so you can see. I'm very thrilled with how it turned out. I hope you were too. Not bad for my first go at wreath making. Please let me know if you want more wreath situations. I kind of feel like a wreath is a mini tree. You know what I mean? And I'm just always looking for more videos I can make, and I feel like this might line up with that. So please let me know in the comments below if you want me to make more wreaths for, you know, Christmas, other holidays, everything going on. And thank you for watching this wreath tutorial. If I can do it, you can do it. We're all gonna be fine. To see how I decorated this Halloween tree, a full tutorial, you can click or tap right up here. And for more holiday fun and Christmas tree decorating and tips and tricks and such, you can click or tap right down here. Thank you so much for watching. I really love you. And until we meet again, spooky on, sparkle on.